gave you what, 16? I gave you 18 hertz?
16, 18, 20, and that was 20, man.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
Alright, my name is Hayden Price. What I got back here is 4 American-based HDD 115s on two 12Ks, Time MD 12Ks.
All right.
I got a 175 amp hours of Yinglong and a Singer 250.
Cool.
And so what you want, man? What you want?
Play something where you peak at on your low end. Where are you peak at on the low end?
Well, the peak is 28.
28, okay. Something windy. Whatever you like that you know is windy. So you have two 12Ks. Oh,
Yeah.
wow. And the sun's taking it?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Are they rated at 2K RMS? And you probably, have you clamped them yet?
Haven't.
No?
Haven't. So
you just take care of them and you don't clip.
Exactly.
And you just know what your limit is.
Exactly.
That's impressive, man. I appreciate that.
Doing the thing though, right?
Yeah. Before you had 8Ks, I think, right?
Yeah.
You went to 12 and livened up. Wow.
I gave you what, 16? I gave you 18 hertz?
16, 18, 20, and that was 20. Man, that's awesome demo, man. Have a good day. Thank you.
Yeah,
yes, sir.
You,
Woo.
Flexing on that bitch. Hold up. Going through the translations. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Rotation. Hold on. Going through the translations. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Flexing on that beach. Hold up. One go get the stick. Hold up. Rotation. Hold on. Going through the translations. about a dick, bitch.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.